In this video snippet, we will look into creating our first project. We are in a brand new workspace, so we see a welcome screen with some instructions. We'll just click on the button to start a new project. Here we can enter our project title. If we want, we can also add a project description, but we will skip this for now. Also, as we process text, we need to choose a language, and by doing so, a space-C tokenizer. We are having English text, so we can leave it as it is. Lastly, we need to specify our data source. We will upload some file from our local machine. We pick the data, and as you can see, it is structured as a JSON file. Let's select it. If we want to, we can also specify some import configurations here, but we will leave it blank for now. Let's import the data. We are now forwarded to the project settings page. As you can see, the tokenization process is automatically started. This will provide us with both easier span labeling later on, as well as valuable metadata. Speaking of valuable metadata, let's create some embeddings. To do so, we must first select a text attribute. In our case, this is the attribute headline. We want to compute the embeddings on attribute level. That is one embedding per document. Alternatively, we could also compute the embeddings on a token basis. Lastly, we need to select a transformer for encoding. We will pick distal bird base uncased directly from Hugging Face. This embedding will help us a lot for active learning and data management afterward. As soon as we add the embedding, the transformer model is pulled, and once it is available, the encoding process begins. Now let's look into creating labeling tasks. We can specify as many as you want here. They can either be specific for one attribute, such as labeling spans on a text attribute, or they can be for the full record. This is true for our case, and we will name the task clickbait. The labeling task type is automatically derived in this case, but if you have attribute-specific tasks, you need to specify the type. We can now set the labels. We'll go for binary classification in this case, so we will add the labels yes and no. The color of the label yes is a bit irritating, so let's choose a new one. Okay, that should be it for now. We now have a prepared dataset, some embedding, and a defined set of labels. We will surely adapt the settings throughout the next video snippets, but for now we are good. In the next snippet, we will look into manually labeling our data.